Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see the process of importing income tax declaration form to Saral PayPack. The process of sending income tax declaration forms can be viewed in our earlier video. After the employees have submitted the income tax declaration forms, the same has to be imported to the Saral PayPack for computation of TDS. There are two ways of importing IT declaration forms to Saral PayPack. Importing employee-wise declaration form, bulk import through a single Excel file. Let us now see both the process one by one. First, we will see the importing process where employee-wise declaration forms are available. Before importing, make sure you have received the declaration from all the employees. All the declaration forms are saved in a single folder. Employees have not changed the file format. Now go to declaration form under TDS details and select import. Trace the folder in which all the declaration forms are stored and click on load. All the Excel files available in the folder will be listed and validated to check if the file is of the required format. If the file is not of the required format, an error message will be displayed and the file will be removed from the list. Likewise, only the files with valid format will be listed for importing. Now, select all the files and click on import. This will import the details in declaration form to Saral PayPack and will be considered for TDS computation. The other method of importing details is bulk import through a single Excel file. For this process, make sure you have received the declaration from all the employees. The details of all employees are entered in the given bulk import Excel template. The Excel template for importing the details in bulk can be got at bulk export listed under declaration form of TDS details menu. Select the employees from the list and click on export to save the template at the required path. Before exporting the template, one has to make sure to enable the options for the details that are to be captured through Excel. The selected options will be the sheets for details entry in Excel template. On receiving the details from the employees, the related details have to be entered in the bulk import Excel template against the employee name and save the template. To import, go to bulk import under the declaration form of TDS details menu. Select the financial year and trace the path where the Excel template with details are saved. Now click on import. And the details in the Excel template will be imported to Saral PayPack. To view the imported details, go to More Employee Details under TDS Details. This completes the process of importing income tax declaration forms to Saral PayPack. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.